The new Views feature in Enate allows you a super flexible way to view the work items in your business area, specifying your own search criteria. The Views tab is open from the navigation section in Work Manager, and you can search based upon a large number of standard pieces of system information. The system defaults in an initial search against anything due right now. To search, you simply add as many conditions as desired and hit the search button. For each condition, you can pick a field. In the drop-down, you can select either a standard piece of system information, for example, last updated by, or Q. Alternatively, you can select from any of the custom data fields you've created in your system. Along with the field, you then set your condition. These change based upon the data type you've chosen. For example, date-related items will allow you to select greater thans or less thans, while text items will allow you to say things like begins with and similar conditions. You then set your value to search by. Again, these are dynamic depending upon the data type you're searching by. You can add as many search criteria as you want, and once you're happy, just hit the search button to see the results. The total number of search results will be shown at the top of the grid. At any time, you can open the work items from the grid by clicking on the relevant link. As with your inbox and owned work grids, you can choose which columns you wish to see or hide in your search results grid. Simply click the cog above the grid and, from the Display in Columns setting pop-up, select the standard system data and custom data fields you wish to display. Back in the grid, you can group and order your search results by all of these same criteria. Please note that only a single grouping criteria can be specified. Further things to note are that from the search results grid header, you can select to fit all the columns to your page width, and you can also flip to show just the results grid if you'd like more screen space, flipping back again if you want to adjust your conditions and search again.